Every few months, a new AI model shows up, and one is better at summarizing, another one is better at classification, and they might suddenly get cheaper or more expensive. So here's the question. Do you want your choice of a specific AI model limit the way you work with your business processes? I'm Mulder, and this is another WEBCON Feature Highlight. Let's dive right in. Here's the thing though, most companies don't have one AI need. They have a whole bunch of them at the same time. Your legal team will need a model that can extract data from contracts. Your financial team will need one that can work with invoices really well. And marketing needs one that can propose a good text. So which model do you go for having all those needs? Well, the answer is there isn't really one best model, and if you do choose for just one, you'll definitely end up compromising. So let's see what the alternative is. Well, with WEBCON, actually you don't compromise at all, because between WEBCON and the LLM sits our AI proxy. So your WEBCON processes are redirected through the proxy to a specific LLM. That can be publicly available models, it can be something you have in your cloud environment, and it can even be on-premise. So you get a free hand to choose whichever model you need in whichever situation, and even mix and match the models for your different situations. You can pick a specific LLM for each task. So agents, translations, concierge, use a different LLM for each one of them, or mix and match however works for you. So if you have complicated legal documents, you're going to need deep reasoning, so you want to go for a big model. A simple decision or classification, you might use a smaller, cheaper model. And if you want to change out models after time, that is not a whole rebuild. It's just a small configuration where all your processes and everything just stays exactly the same. So here's the thing. WEBCON being an AI model-agnostic platform isn't just a happy coincidence. We designed it that way on purpose. And the effects are visible in three ways. Let's start with cost. Complicated big models with deep reasoning are going to be more expensive, and for a simple decision you don't need a very expensive model. So being able to pick the right model for the right situation allows you to really cut down on cost. So that's one. And here's the second, and this is actually the one I really want to underline, and that is having control over where your data resides. Whether that's on WEBCON hosted infrastructure or your own cloud, or even on-premise for those really sensitive legal processes. You are in full control, so you have an AI you can actually govern in a sensible way. And here's the third one. Because in WEBCON, AI is actually an integrated part of the process. It's not just some chat window bolted onto the side. So that gives it context to provide you with high-quality answers. And of course, whenever you need a human in the loop, that's going to be part of your process as well. So that's it really. The model you choose for isn't a lock-in. Choose whichever set of models you need and swap them out whenever you want to. And of course, that's not all AI can do for you within WEBCON, so keep an eye out for the other videos we're posting. If you like this one, thumbs up. If you have a question, leave a comment, interact with us. And if you want to stay on top of all the videos that are coming out, hit that bell icon and subscribe. That's it for me. Thank you, and see you on the next one.